Hello, this is a video demo that we are going to present at the RTC Conference at Illinois Tech in about a week. I'm creating this recording in order to provide it within the slides so that we can take a look at the demo much after the conference is over with. What we've created in this demo is a machine learning model which can classify gait or walking patterns for people with Parkinson's disease. So basically people who are exhibiting signs of Parkinson's in their gait as they walk, which we basically ended up collecting a bunch of videos over the internet and found videos with people with normal walking patterns and people with exhibiting Parkinson's walking patterns, which we've detailed in the presentation. We've taken all of these videos and we've run them through a program called MediaPipe, which is an open source project by Google. And if I play the video here, you can see we're able to get important details or informations out of every video as they're walking. You can get all the joint information for key things. So think ankle, knees, hips, shoulders, elbows, and arms are actually the key landmarks or identifying points in 3D space in these movies that we're interested in. And based on these points, we're able to actually use that MediaPipe open source project to grab three-dimensional coordinates of individuals within these videos. So we can actually see these points move in relation to each other, but grab three-dimensional coordinates for all of those points. So if we take a look at the project here, you can see we've provided code in order to do the video processing. This will, based on a given structure, it will take video that is in a folder called normal and a folder called Parkinson's, and it'll effectively take and process these videos using an application that we've created here. It will actually create a bunch of videos, just like you've seen in the YouTube link here, and it'll also create, more importantly, the CSV data, which is the raw tabular data for these three-dimensional landmark points, right, representing joints for a person walking in a video. And then we took all of those points, we identified key factors or key things that are important for people who exhibit Parkinson's type symptoms while they walk. And we created an application which trains a model to detect these different walking patterns in order to build a classifier to have the model tell us whether or not you exhibit Parkinson's characteristics or not, and to what percentage. If we go into the demo here, we have two important test files. One is a CSV file, which represents 3D plot coordinates for someone who has like a normal gait or normal walk. So you can see all of that there. And so these are the three-dimensional coordinates for like left elbow, for example. And we also have another CSV file for someone that has a characteristic Parkinson's gait or walking pattern. And we're going to represent the normal CSV file with patient 1 and the Parkinson's CSV file, which is like their gait patterns, as a patient 0. So, imagine we've already collected a video, we've ran it through a processor, and this is kind of like what this demo is about. We were going to create a AI virtual voice assistant so we can ask the questions and also query these CSV files in order for us to have the AI agent tell us whether or not patient 1 exhibits what kind of walking pattern, and the same with patient 2, like what kind of walking pattern does patient 2 exhibit. And because this is a voice AI agent, you'll see some stuff on the screen which will help us verify that things are happening correctly. Otherwise, I'm interacting with this voice AI agent, obviously using my voice. Let's go ahead and run the application. Elizabeth, can you tell me about Parkinson's disease?
Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that primarily affects movement, often causing tremors, stiffness, and balance issues. Its exact cause is unknown, but it involves the degeneration of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain.
Elizabeth, get video analysis for patient 1.
The video analysis shows that your gait characteristics are normal with a very high probability of 99.96%. This indicates that your walking pattern is likely functioning as expected.
Elizabeth, get video analysis for patient 2.
The video analysis suggests that your gait characteristics show qualities commonly associated with Parkinson's disease with a high probability of 99.92%. This may warrant further exploration and discussion with your healthcare provider.
So that's basically the demo. In this application, we have a speech-to-text component and a text-to-speech, which is hooked up to ChatGPT using OpenAI's API. We're loading this Parkinson's detection classification model, and we're passing in normal.csv and parkinson's.csv, analyzing it using the model. So that's actually the output for what the model is, and that's the probability for the classification that it's giving in each of those CSV files. So I hope you enjoyed the demo. If you're interested in this particular demo in the project, highly encourage you to take a look at the source code. And yeah, cheers. Hope you enjoyed the demo.